I break things and fix them back for a living. I'm a Kintsugi artist. This is where I document my healing journey, and I'm inviting you along. I started this channel for the neurodivergent, the healing, the grieving, and the ones quietly seeking support. Healing is lonely, and I'm here for the human connection. It's going to be messy. This is a soft place to land, but not a perfect one. Growth, healing, and talking about our feelings? Messy stuff, but we are in this together. Healing is personal. My thoughts are shaped by my upbringing, background, and lived experience. There's no one single way to heal, and I honor that. We embrace duality. You're entitled to your truth, and I'm entitled to mine. We believe multiple truths can exist. Trust your inner teacher. Take what speaks to you and leave what doesn't. Wholesome interactions only! Yes, I'm putting myself out here, but I'm not here for hate, trolls, or non-nutritious comments. I'm here to feel, heal, and leave a legacy. I allow myself to change my mind. Change is constant, so am I. The world shifts, and I naturally will too. Thank you for being here, and let's be gloriously human. Stay gold!